we are under a tornado warning. The sirens just went off. So I think it's just east of this area. I think it might be visible from over there, if you can see. But yeah, the sirens did just go off, so... There's a tornado warning in effect until 1 p.m. today. I don't see any clouds, or funnel clouds. At least I don't think I do. But, yeah, the sirens just went off, so... I think it's over there. It's probably just a weak tornado, but yeah, it just happened out of nowhere. Okay, so I just got word that it is a confirmed tornado just southeast of my area, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Toronto around 1:15 p.m. Lost Nation around 1:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Walnut Grove Park and Massillon Park. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for the following county: Cedar, Iowa. A tornado warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. for west central Cedar and northeastern Johnson counties. At 12:45 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Solon, or 8 miles southwest of Mechanicsville, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sutliff. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 1 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Cedar, and Johnson. A tornado warning remains in effect until...
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.